You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. This is the third person present of the verb to owe. I owe money to my uncle. By the way, if you want to learn more vocabulary, more pronunciations in English, stay tuned. Owes is how it's pronounced. Yes, the spelling is with an S, but the pronunciation is with a Z or a Z sound. Owes. He owes money to his mother. Owes. She owes money to her uncle. Owes. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.